I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah,
I know it looks crazy right now, but we're gonna fix it. Stop tripping.
I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Father. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself. So I could feel something else.
You know, and then you put like auto color with white stuff in.
It doesn't mean I lost my
And it's like green. Oh yeah. Where my wig at?
I can't even. So I'm gonna take the color Peach Cobbler and go in with a transition shade and just blend. So I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna put Peach Punch in the crease.
I'm going to go ahead and add Sparks Fly from the Morphe 35M palette to blend out that dark color in the crease.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls.
So I'm going to apply some Morphe Eyelid Primer to the part where I want to add that bright orange. I'm just gonna put a thin layer.
I'ma let you go.
So after I add that primer, I'm going to go ahead and take Fired Up from that 35M palette, and then I'm going to layer on a sparkly color on top to make that orange pop. I just love how vibrant these colors are. They're so pretty, and then they have shimmers that match the color. I just love what Morphe did. This being my first Morphe palette, I absolutely love the fact that there's so many different ranges and shades that you can play with. It makes everything more interesting, don't you think? So for the shimmer that we're gonna layer on top, that's gonna be Bright Eyes out of that 35M palette. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dip in my brush, and then I'm gonna dip that color into the MAC Fix Plus so that it mixes together, it doesn't have any fallout, and then that shimmer can just glide on top. So the last step to this look is taking Light of the Party in the upper corner of the palette. We're gonna put that in the inner corners of her eyes and blend it outwards on top of the other shimmer. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this look off camera and then come back with the completed look. We did do a couple of other steps and we ran out of time. So she went ahead and completed the look at home. I will place pictures from the event of the finished look at the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video or would just like to support a new YouTuber, go ahead and like and subscribe to this video and my channel. And I hope you look forward to future videos. And this is the completed look. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful night, and I'll see you on Wednesday.